Incorporating nuts into your diet can be a great way to support long-term health. Here are 5 of the best options for longevity and overall wellness. 1. Almonds. Health benefits. Almonds are high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage, supports skin health, and may help reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also rich in fiber, magnesium, and healthy fats, which can promote heart health and stabilize blood sugar. How to enjoy. Add almonds to oatmeal, smoothies, or salads, or enjoy them as a snack. 2. Walnuts. Health benefits. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties and benefits brain and heart health. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which may support cognitive health and reduce inflammation. How to enjoy. Add walnuts to yogurt, baked goods, or savory dishes like roasted vegetables. 3. Pistachios. Health benefits. Pistachios are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and plant-based protein. They're also known for promoting heart health, supporting eye health with lutein and zeaxanthin, and aiding in weight management due to their low calorie and high satiety factor. How to enjoy. Eat them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to a trail mix. 4. Brazil nuts. Health benefits. Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium, a mineral with antioxidant properties that plays a key role in thyroid health and immune function. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts can meet your daily selenium needs, making them powerful in small amounts. How to enjoy. Include Brazil nuts in your diet as a snack or mixed with other nuts, but limit intake due to their high selenium content. 5. Cashews. Health benefits. Cashews are rich in copper, magnesium, and iron, which are essential for energy production, bone health, and immune function. Cashews also contain healthy fats and protein, which can support heart health and aid in blood sugar regulation. How to enjoy. Use cashews as a creamy base for sauces, add them to stir fries, or enjoy them on their own. Each of these nuts offers unique benefits, but they all share a high concentration of essential nutrients, healthy fats, and antioxidants that can help support long-term health. For optimal results, include a variety of nuts in your diet, but be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are calorie-dense and some can result in allergic reactions.